fall in the high bed. See her destiny. Sits out of there. He sat by his eyes bullet. Days to die. In Quezon City, ways to die. Ways to die. In Quezon City, so many damn ways to die. Be cut yourself and fall into chocolate maker. It can be something in the shop. I wonder what is this up to? Damn ways to die. In Quezon City, ways to die. Damn ways to die. In Quezon City.
Huwag ka magkakasabi ni Lola, ya.
So many damn ways to die. Rooting phone with every season. We stuck in a fridge for 10 minutes. Eat too much. Eat too much donuts that make you even fat. When you're a kid to swim in the China, they not rhyme, but it quite possibly. Dumbest ways to die. Dumbest ways to die. Dumbest ways to die in Quezon City. So many dumb ways to die. Be safe in Pilipinas. Message from Jevins. You have to see the number. Like and subscribe.